You can't learn to swim in a library. You have to get in the water and practice. Similarly, your learners need opportunities to practice what you're teaching them. Good learning experiences include activities that give learners a chance to practice what they're learning. This can take the form of hands-on exercises, guided tutorials, simulations, worksheets, and more. Now that you've created your learning objectives and identified what you want learners to be able to do after taking your course, you can plan activities to help them build their skills and get to the point where they can demonstrate that they've learned something. Practice activities are guided experiences where students apply what they're learning to a sample scenario, problem set, or prompt. They should be relevant to your course material and reflect real-world experiences and applications of your course topic. To plan your practice activities, review your learning objectives and list out the kinds of activities that learners could do to demonstrate that they've achieved that objective. If you were creating a course on web development, this could be activities like writing code, or if you were creating a digital marketing course, it could be setting up an ad campaign. At this stage, we're just brainstorming some possible activities for your course. Later, you'll determine what activities you will actually include in your course and where they should fit. For now, just ensure that the activities you list are relevant to the material and would provide an opportunity for learners to practice the concepts and skills you're teaching in a way that prepares them for how they'll use those skills after taking your course. Activities help your learners practice their skills so they can demonstrate their knowledge. Next, we'll talk about assessments, which help learners measure how well they understand a concept.